Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a way to make your Wix website truly stand out, you're in the right spot. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a dynamic video background to a section of your Wix site. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh new look that instantly grabs visitors' attention with just a few simple steps. So let's jump straight in. Alright, first thing you want to do is head to the section of your Wix website where you'd like to add the video background. You can select any section, whether it's a blank area or one that currently has an image background. Just click directly on that section to make sure it's highlighted. The reason we start here is because video backgrounds only apply to specific sections, so you get to choose exactly where you want that eye-catching effect. Next, on the right side of your screen, you'll see the Inspector pane pop up. If you don't immediately see it, just look for the word Inspector. It should be pretty prominent. This is your main control panel for customizing the appearance and functionality of your section. Once you're in the Inspector pane, you'll find an option labeled Design. Go ahead and click on that. Design is where the magic happens, letting you personalize everything from colors and borders to, in our case, backgrounds. Now, under the Design settings, look for the background options. There's a Media tab there that's all about your section's visual storytelling. Click into Media and you'll see different ways to manage what appears behind your content. This is a crucial spot. Choosing the right background can set the mood for your entire page. Imagine it like the stage backdrop in a theater. It shapes how your viewers feel when they arrive. Ready to transform your background? Let's move on to changing the background's media. Simply click Change Media. This brings up Wix's Media Manager, here where you get creative. If you only see images at first, don't worry, just look for the filter in the top corner and select Video. This filters out all the photos and shows you a curated selection of video backgrounds you can use. If you've got your own video you prefer, maybe from your latest travel adventure or a product showcase, you can hit the upload button and bring it right in. For today's demonstration though, we'll stick with one of Wix's built-in video backgrounds. You'll see some great options like nature scenes, techie graphics, and more. Choose a video background that fits your style or the vibe of your brand. Just click on it and then hit Add to Page. Wix will automatically set it up as your section's new background. Sometimes it might take a moment for the video to load and display properly, especially if your internet is running a bit slow, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Once the video background is in place, take a second to preview it. The section should come alive with movement, making your content pop against the new animated backdrop. Click play if you need to see the video in action. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always swap it for another video or tweak the section's layout so your text and images remain readable. A good tip is to double-check contrast. It's key for keeping things clear and accessible. And that's all there is to it. Adding a video background on Wix really is that simple, and it makes a world of difference in creating a site visitors won't forget. If you got stuck, or if you have questions about best practices for using video, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step website tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing sites you'll build.